everyone, welcome back to Shuta's Universe. I'm here with a really simple digital painting that I have made with Infinite Painter. It includes some hills, the moon and some clouds. This is a monochromatic painting and I have chose this beautiful turquoise color for it. With a paint tool I have just a gradient of the same color and then use the blending tool to make it smoother. I've decided to add another light color at the top. After blending the background, I am trying to create kind of a mountain shape, and I've used this tool to make it. After trying several times, I have got my desired mountain and then changing the color a bit and adding some other mountain shapes in front of one another. Then I tried to create some foggy effects with a spray paint. And then trying to add some interesting magical lighting effects. I'm kind of smoothing the edges of the hills. And now painting some clouds. First painting some dark clouds and blending the edges nicely. Once I'm satisfied with the blending of the dark clouds, I'm going to add some lighter clouds. The lighter clouds in front also need to be blended nicely. This is a relaxing kind of work, so don't worry or don't rush. Just take your time and don't think too much about painting something that is hard or more complicated, because I'm doing it the easy way. Using the sprayer tool over the clouds, and it's creating a beautiful effect. Added some more fogs at the front. And then obviously a painting like this is always incomplete to me without a moon. So drawing the moon shape and blending it nicely with the sky air is the last part of our painting. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos and stay connected to Shuta's Universe.